Rationalize the denominator for the expression negative 3 over 4 minus the square root of 3. Well, to rationalize the denominator, we want to eliminate this radical sign from the denominator. And we're going to do that by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by a conjugate form of this denominator, 4 plus the square root of 3. Multiplying in the numerator, distributing the negative 3 gives a negative 12 minus 3 times the square root of 3. In the denominator, we're multiplying a difference and a sum of the same two quantities. As we do that, you might think of the FOIL method. Our inner and outer products are opposites and they'll cancel. This will leave us with the product of the first terms, 4 squared, minus the product of those last terms, the square root of 3 squared. Let's just rewrite that numerator as negative 12 minus 3 times the square root of 3. In the denominator, 4 squared is 16. The square root of 3 squared is 3. Now, as a last step, let's go ahead and subtract these values in the denominator. 16 minus that 3 is 13. So after rationalizing the denominator, we'll have a negative 12 minus 3 times the square root of 3 all over 13.